Download link in description. A fully functional, polished, and self-hosted web interface for Anthropic's Claude AI. This project runs entirely in your browser, using the free tier of pewter.js for secure access to the Claude API. No backend, no server costs. 100% free. 100% free access. Leverages the free tier of pewter.js to interact with the Claude API at no cost. Polished UI. A clean, modern interface inspired by the official Claude UI, with light and dark mode support. Artifact generation. Automatically renders code blocks into beautiful interactive artifact canvases, with syntax highlighting, copy, download, and even an HTML preview feature. Streaming responses. Watch Claude's responses appear in real time, just like the official experience. Local chat history. Remembers your recent conversations in your browser's local storage. Secure authentication. Handles. pewter.js. Authentication directly in the browser with a clear, user-friendly flow.